If you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Hitlist series. I am Guna Mathivanan from Office's IAS Academy. In today's video, we will be discussing FSDC, Financial Stability Development Council. Financial Stability Development Council, which was set up in the year 2010. It is a super regulator. It is a super regulator. Why I am calling it a super regulator? Because it regulates the regulators. See, the important financial regulators we all know: Reserve Bank of India, Securities Exchange Board of India, Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority of India, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India. See, we have RBI, which will regulate the banks. We have SEBI, which will regulate the stock market and the capital market related areas. PFRDA will regulate the pension funds. IRDA will regulate the insurance companies. Okay, now they are the important financial regulators. Now it is very important to establish an inter-regulatory coordination. Between these regulators, there should be coordination. See, for example, you take the State Bank of India. As a bank, as a mutual fund, SBI mutual funds, SBI life insurance, See, various institutions, they are regulated by multiple regulators. SBI means don't think only bank regulates, RBI regulates. So, the functions of RBI, the functions of SEBI, the functions of PFRDAI, the functions of IRDAI at certain points will come closer. When it comes closer, there should be proper coordination, or else you will lose efficiency. So we need someone who can coordinate, who can bring this essential coordination between these four. So who can provide coordination for these four? That is going to be Finance Minister. So Finance Minister will be the chairperson of this FSDC. So Financial Stability Development Council is headed by Finance Minister. Who are all the members? RBI, SEBI, PFRDA, IRDA. They are the important primary members. Along with that, the various secretaries, IAS officers coming under Finance Ministry will also be members. The Chief Economic Advisor will also be member. But the most important is Finance Minister is the chairperson. Other members are RBI, SEBI, PFRDA, IRDAI and others whom I have mentioned here. It aims to bring essential inter-regulatory coordination. Alright. So, what are the functions they do? So, they will overview the macroeconomy of the country. They will overview the macroeconomy of the country. They will monitor, they will supervise the functioning. They will supervise the functioning of big corporates, right? Big corporates. They will take efforts to promote financial literacy. They will take efforts to promote financial literacy, financial inclusion. Along with this, the most important, they will focus on that inter-regulatory coordination. So these are the tasks FSDC will perform. Why it was in news? An FSDC meeting was held, that's why it was in news. Okay. So Financial Stability Development Council was set up in the year 2010, primarily aims to ensure financial stability. So by providing that inter-regulatory coordination. The members I have mentioned. So it monitors the macro-prudential supervision of the economy. Right? Macroeconomy means it will not focus on one individual or one company. Something focuses on one individual, one company, individual's behavior, that is microeconomy. Macroeconomy, which has an implication on the entire country. Inflation, national income, exports, imports, agriculture, industry, service sector, right? So they will focus on that macroeconomic aspects. So they will also take efforts for improving the financial literacy and the financial inclusion. There was a meeting, that's why it was in news.